Hey guys, what's up? It's Dr. Thomas, and I'm on PodBros right now, about to go on air with John. He runs PodBros, and pretty excited to be recorded and talk about what we're doing at Plum Health. Thanks for watching, and I'll link this podcast in the comment section below.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of PodBros Promotions, aka the show that asks, what do you do and how do you do it? I am in studio today with someone new, cool, and incredible, and he's going to tell you all about what he does and how he does it. I met this guy, and I know you have heard him actually prior on this podcast. But what? That makes no sense, John. You said he was new, right? Yeah, he is. You heard him at Pachachka, the Volume 30 event, but here in studio, he's going to explain himself a little bit more about what he does and what he's doing in the Metro Detroit area. Today, I have Dr. Paul Thomas with me. How you doing, man?
I'm doing great. Thanks so much for having me on, John.
Oh, definitely. It's a pleasure for you to come on, us to be able to talk about a little bit more of what you're doing and what's going on in the Metro Detroit area. It's pretty cool to see and hear. Like I said, I had no clue about this until I met you at the event. And I was like, I got to have that guy on the show to talk a little bit more about it.
Yep, it's a new thing. New, as they say. So I'm not surprised that you haven't heard about it. A lot of folks haven't, so I'm excited to spread the good word.
All right, well, great. Well, let's introduce who you are first. Can you tell the listeners a little bit more about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Paul Thomas, and I'm a family medicine doctor, and I take care of folks of all ages and stages, kids, adults. I've even delivered babies during my training.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and that's always a wonderful experience and a wonderful part of someone's life to be a part of.
Oh, yeah, man.
But right now, I'm practicing family medicine in Detroit, and I started a practice called Plum Health.
Great. So, Plum Health, could you explain a little bit more about what that is in itself?
Yeah, so Plum Health is an alternative model for healthcare delivery. So rather than paying per transaction, you pay a monthly membership, and that allows you to call me anytime you need me.
That's pretty cool. The moment that I was reading up on it, obviously, and maybe someone else has said this to you, but the thing that I started thinking of was basically Netflix, almost, in a sense that it's like that monthly subscription basis.
Yeah, I mean, and you use Netflix whenever you need it.
Yeah.
And even if it's in the middle of the night and you want to, watch an episode, you can. Even if it's the middle of the night and you need to call me because I'm your doctor, you call me.
And I thought that was great too, because it doesn't seem like you get that in contact with a medical professional anymore. Like you get these 24/7 hour lines, or you have to go to the ER, or in some cases urgent care, whatever it is. But that was another thing I saw on your website, that you had that 24/7 availability, and I was like, wow, that's cool. That's something that I think patients, they don't see that anymore. Like it's something you don't experience when your doctor says to you, hey, no, I'm available 24/7. If there's an emergency and you need to call me, I'm here.
Yeah, so our website is www.plumhealthdpc.com, and that is true. I mean, I'm available 24/7 for my members, so the people that enroll in my service. And people text me all the time, like, hey, Dr. Thomas, the medication that you gave me isn't working as well as we were hoping.
Mm-hmm.
So it allows me in real time to react to that and say, okay, let's increase the dose, or let's change you to something different.
Cool. And I mean, to me, it's really smart, because it's 2017 now, and everyone, you basically have the availability of everything at your fingertips.
Mm-hmm.
So it's smart that we're able to have our doctors as well available in such a convenient way. And it's
Right.
not too crazy where, like you said, you can just give a text and we're just talking, and it's nice. No, I don't have to travel. I don't have to try to call up and jump through hoops with everything.
Right.
It's a really convenient way.